Yeah.
Is that a baby, Alex? Is that a baby kitten? Want to hold him? There you go. Both hands. You got him. There you go. Here, mommy help. Hold on. There you go. Hold it like a baby. It's okay. Yeah. Is that your baby? The baby's crying. It's okay? Okay, Bubby. Why don't we put the baby back with the mama? Okay? Say bye-bye, kitty.